Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt right here and this bolt right here. Repeat for the other side. Across the front, there's going to be 6 of these plastic push pins. Use your trim tool, get underneath. On the back corner of the bumper, right underneath the fender, there's a 10mm bolt right there. Remove that bolt. Repeat for the other side. On the top of the bumper, there are these plastic clips here, here, and here. There's 3 of them. Let's go ahead and remove those 3. Go ahead and grab that bumper. And come over here. Go ahead and grab the edge of the bumper, pull that out. Repeat for the driver's side. And you pull the bumper forward. Go ahead and take your bumper cover. Slowly bring it in. You want to make sure that the side of the bumper lines up with the fender itself. Repeat for the driver's side. Once those are in, let's go ahead and install our 3 push pins along the top of the bumper. Make sure that your inner fender liner is on the inside of the bumper. Grab that 10mm screw and go ahead and get that installed. Go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. I'm going to install our 2 10mm end screws. Repeat for the driver's side. Go ahead and install your plastic lock retainers here. Now that we have all of our bases in, go ahead and get the main lock in.